Now we are going to go in real time on TradingView.com. If you're not using TradingView.com to mark up your trades and make your money, you're absolutely not doing it right as a trader. This is something that you absolutely need. Right now, this is what I use. Now I marked it up similar just so you guys can see. Now let's actually put this color to red because we're selling, so you guys will be able to understand what's going on. Right, so now this is an example of a DeLorean. Right, so we have a red candle right here and a green candle. Is this red candle here bigger than the green candle? That is step one. Absolutely yes, this red candle is absolutely bigger. Step two, is this skinny red line right here, is it cutting through both the green and the red candle? Let's follow it. Let's click on it. Let's double check. Yes, it is. Now, step three, the skinny aqua line, is it closely above, or is it cutting through the two candles that we need to look at right here that is in this? Let's change this to black so you guys can be able to see. Change that thing to black, right? In this black circle, right? Let's change this to black too, just so you guys can be able to see. Let's color it in just a little bit right there. That's what we're focusing on right there, right? So yes, we have the aqua line. It is closely above and it is cutting through. So what does that mean? The closer it is, the more money we can make. Now we just have one last step, which is step four, right? We look below us. Are there any lines in our way? No, we have nothing but blank space under us. So what is that telling us? We have an opportunity to make money, right? And we have a red arrow. This is an arrow that I just placed myself, right? When you're trading on TradingView, you're not going to have no indicators or nothing like that. That is the importance of the I Am Master Academy platform, because they have applications already built in that scan the market for you. All you got to do is look at it, know the 4 steps to do, and make your money. It's actually only 2 steps, but you'll learn all that through I Am Master Academy. Now, I made my own red arrow to let us know we're going to look to sell, and we're going to enter the trade right here. Remember I said once we enter the trade, we should be in profit within 3 candles. So each candle is worth 15 minutes here. We're in a 15-minute time frame, and we are trading silver. So 15, 30, 45 minutes, we are in profit. After 45 minutes, we will have exited the trade because we are no longer in profit and the trade is reversing. So that is an example of a trading strategy with a high win rate and win percentage. It is called the DeLorean strategy. If you want to learn more about this, click the playlist next. I will put it at the end screen. It's going to be the foreign exchange market playlist for everything you need to know about your Forex needs, anything else you need to know about. I appreciate you guys. Hit that like button, subscribe, and continue to watch the playlist for more information.